Today we see, in millions there are likes that people have and followers that people have. They are spreading a lot of fear.
Talking about crystals, nowadays it is also been oversold. How do we identify अच्छा crystal कौन सा है?
Hold your crystal, नीचे एक कैंडल लगा दो, क्रिस्टल आप उस पर रखिए, burn it. अगर वो प्लास्टिक होगा तो वो मेल्ट हो जाएगा.
Talking about spirituality and therapy, do you think both the things are way different?
So मैं आपको एंजाइटी के लिए जो टेक्निक्स दूंगी, that will only come from therapy, practical tools. But the grounding and the healing that you'll need will come from spirituality.
Tarot can show you only present, or it shows you past and future as well.
It shows you past, present, future direction, yes. But अगर आप मुझे पूछो कि यार 10 साल बाद मेरी लाइफ में क्या आने वाला है,
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है एक सोच में, जहां हम बात करते हैं उन सच्चाइयों की जो लोग सोचते तो है पर बोलते नहीं। आज का एपिसोड थोड़ा अलग है, थोड़ा कंट्रोवर्शियल और बहुत डीपली इमोशनल। टैरेट कर्मा मैनिफेस्टेशन, क्या ये सच में काम करता है या सिर्फ एक स्पिरिचुअल मार्केटिंग ट्रेंड बन गया है? क्या लोग टैरेट के एडिक्टेड हो रहे हैं? क्या कार्मिक रिलेशनशिप एक्चुअली लव होते हैं या टॉक्सिक अटैचमेंट? और क्या मैनिफेस्टेशन सबके लिए काम करता है या सिर्फ कुछ लोगों के लिए? इन सभी रॉ और रियल सवालों पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ है चैताली जी, फाउंडर ऑफ सोल मैजिक, टैरेट रीडर, स्पिरिचुअल गाइड और मैनिफेस्टेशन कोच। आज का कॉन्वर्सेशन आपकी स्पिरिचुअलिटी की डेफिनेशन को चैलेंज करेगा। तो अगर आप बिलीव करते हो साइंस में या डाउट करते हो स्पिरिचुअलिटी पर, ये एपिसोड आप ही के लिए है। मैं हूं निराली पंड्या और ये है एक सोच जो बदल सकती है आपकी सोच। और हाँ, ये एपिसोड को पूरा जरूर देखिएगा एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। Welcome Chaitali ji.
Thank you Nirali, thank you so much.
Since this entire podcast is about एक सोच, I'm sure जिंदगी में कहीं ना कहीं वो एक सोच होती है ना, उससे ही हम बदलाव लेकर आते हैं लाइफ में।
बिल्कुल।
तो आपके लाइफ में ऐसी कौन सी एक सोच थी जिसकी वजह से आपकी पूरी जिंदगी चेंज हो गई?
To be very honest, लाइफ में कुछ challenges थे, some emotional challenges, some personal challenges. That's when लगा कि यार बाहर सब कुछ ट्राई करके देख लिया। एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स के पास गई, जिसके पास रीच आउट कर सकती थी सबके पास गई, आंसर्स कहीं नहीं मिले। सो आई रियलाइज के आंसर्स आर विद इन एंड इट्स टाइम टू गो इनसाइड विद इन एंड सीक डीपर आंसर्स। वन थिंग लेड टू द अदर। कुछ चैलेंजेस जहाँ मुझे मेरे बच्चों का साइकोलॉजी सीखना था, माइंड सीखना था, सो आई स्टार्टेड विद दैट एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ। देयर वाज नो लुकिंग बैक। आई गॉट इंट्रीग्ड कि यार टैरो रीडिंग क्या होता है, बिकॉज कुछ मैसेजेस आते थे तो ऐसा लगता था यार ये मेरे लिए है या मेरे लिए नहीं है। लोग कैसे पढ़ लेते हैं बिना नोइंग योर स्टोरी।
करेक्ट।
सो ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड आई सेड यार ये तो मुझे सीखना है।
करेक्ट।
सीखते सीखते प्रैक्टिस करते करते it's been more than 7 years now.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm sure when I was researching about you, I saw that being a spiritual entrepreneur was never there in your mind.
Absolutely.
Right. So how did you ended up being a spiritual entrepreneur?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट ना यार, मैंने शुरू जब किया ना, इट वॉज नेवर कि मुझे ये प्रोफेशनली प्रैक्टिस करना है। आई यूज टू डू इट फॉर माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट, फिर क्लोज फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के लिए करती थी। बट दे यूज टू कम बैक ना सेइंग कि यार तूने तब जो बोला था ना वो सही हुआ। बिकॉज अदरवाइज मैं बहुत डाउट करती थी कि ये चीजें काम करती भी है कि नहीं, कि ये रीडिंग्स वाकई में ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि मैं इमोशनली आई एम रीडिंग फॉर पीपल, और इज इट इवन मेकिंग एनी सेंस। आई यूज टू क्वेश्चन टैरो रीडिंग अ लॉट इनिशियली। When people used to come back and say ये काम किया, ये ऐसे हुआ, कभी किसी को because लोग problems तो लेकर आते हैं, but ultimately they want solutions to the problems. So I would suggest them certain rituals, certain remedies, कुछ crystals वगैरह के लिए उनको suggest करती थी। And then when they would come back and say कि यार ये काम किया, that's when I thought कि there are more people who not only want solutions, they want to be felt, they want to be heard.
Correct.
And they want to be seen.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, in our daily lives, ये तीनों चीजें बहुत ज्यादा होती हैं. This essence is missing. So that's how the journey began, and then one step led to another, and here we are.
Lovely. That's amazing. वो कहते हैं ना, many a times it happens, not many a times, most of the time it happens that हमारा profession हमको select करता है.
बिल्कुल.
So we all have our own callings, that what are we meant for and what are we here for. And one thing you rightly said, that more than anything else, people want to be heard,
बिल्कुल.
which is absolutely not there. Even in family, within your surrounding, people always feel left out.
Unfortunately, the people from big families, okay, joint families, like a full family with great social lives. उनके अगर आप social media handles देखोगे, they'll have more than 1,000 followers there. They are following so many people, but there's not even one person whom they can have a heart to heart, कि बता सके what they are feeling. So it's the sad reality of this world, and I think it's the need of the hour that people wake up and
Correct.
talk to each other and not to their phones.
Rightly said. But then nowadays, when you're talking about phone, nowadays people only want answer and they keep talking with their intuitions to the phone itself.
Absolutely. That's why ChatGPT is everywhere.
Correct.
People have named their ChatGPTs. I know of people who call them because this so and so is my best friend. Mary is my best friend. And who's Mary? ChatGPT. So
sad to hear this.
Yeah.
But talking about tarot, okay, what basically tarot is it aligned to the energies?
Tarot is a very misunderstood concept in general. ना मतलब कुछ लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि वो रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर ऐसे तोता लेके बैठते हैं. There's lot of
Lot of
things, around
yeah.
tarot. It's very simple. Tarot is something where अगर आप मेरे पास आज एक रीडिंग के लिए आते हो, I connect with your energies simply and give you guidance and direction to wherever that you are stuck in life. It could be in your personal life, your professional life. It aligns with your energy. Not
Correct.
something to do with what I feel or I think. Totally aligned with your energy. काफी है ना clients आते हैं ना, जब भी वो लोग बोलते हैं, इसके पहले हम कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास गए थे, उन्होंने तो बोला है मेरी कुंडली में राजयोग है, and they have been struggling with finances for years now. They're like कहाँ है? अगर वो बोले हैं तो कहाँ है? But that's one thing that we need to understand. कि this does not work like astrology. अगर आप quick fix सोच रहे हो तो आपको बिल्कुल readings पे भी नहीं आना चाहिए.
Correct.
And also ना, there are some people ना who come for readings because they want to hear what they want to hear.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is one thing that I've noticed. People go for like tarot shopping होता है ना. आज ये
Yeah,
रीडर के पास
yeah.
गए, पर अच्छा नहीं लगा, तुमने क्या बोला, तुमने because mirror दिखा दिया. If there is something that is not aligning with your energy, you are going to tell that person, right?
Yeah.
Because that's your job to do it.
True.
But then there are readers across, they will feed your ego, they will give you what you want.
Yeah.
And people end up doing tarot shopping, which
Correct.
it doesn't help. Honestly, it doesn't help.
So it is purely aligned to energies.
Totally.
But I really want to understand this. Tarot can show you only present, or it shows you past and future as well.
It shows you past, present, future, direction, yes. Up till a year and a half to 2 years. But अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे यार 10 साल बाद मेरी लाइफ में क्या आने वाला है, sorry, it's not happening.
Possible.
No. So basically, now you should go for a reading when you want answers to your day-to-day questions.
Exactly.
अगर for example आप एक crossroad पे हो कि मैं ये जॉब लूँ या ये जॉब लूँ, मुझे ये घर खरीदना है, so is this aligning with me or that? Those are the kind of the more direct questions you have, the more direct answers you will get.
Correct.
Yes.
That's amazing, and that's for real. That आप totally, as you rightly said, that आप प्रेजेंट की चीजें पूछोगे तो आपको आंसर्स भी बहुत अच्छे मिलेंगे, एंड इट विल बी मोर रियल एंड ऑथेंटिक, राइट? फ्यूचर ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन गेट सम गाइडेंस, बट यू कैन नॉट टोटली बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन कि मैंने तो टैरेट कार्ड में तो मेरे लिए ये आया था, हो सकता है दूसरी बार शायद कुछ और आए.
एंड समवेयर ना इट इंस्टिल्स अ लॉट ऑफ फियर. अगर आज मैं आपको बता दूं फ्यूचर में क्या होना है, फर्स्टली नोबडी इज गॉड हियर जो कैन प्रेडिक्ट फ्यूचर, और करना भी नहीं चाहिए. बट फिर भी मैं आपको बता दूं कोई चीज, आप वही डर में अगर मैं आपको बता दूं निराली आपका ना इससे इस मंथ में एक्सीडेंट होने वाला है, नाउ देयर आर डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज. कोई होगा जो घर से बाहर ही निकलना बंद कर देगा, कोई होगा, so it's somewhere instilling a lot of fear.
Yeah.
So future predictions no, future directions yes, I would say.
And I've also seen people are going a lot into emotionally drainage pattern. Okay, it's digital world. Okay, on and off I'm seeing lot of tarot messages. मेरे अकाउंट में भी एक बार शायद देखा रहेगा मैंने, तो मुझे रोज आता है, right? And somewhere it correlates, somewhere it may not relate. Right. How real is that?
कि देखो सबसे पहले यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड जो भी आज की डेट में सोशल मीडिया पे जा रहा है is being put out over there for certain views, certain likes, certain comments. Okay, everything is about reach right now. All the messages that I'm not saying they are fake messages, but then they are very generic messages. 10 people are resonating with it, maybe 20 will not.
Yeah.
So it is very generic. हम उसमें से क्या करते हैं ना, for to example if I am going through a very emotional phase, उसमें कुछ आ गया that angel number ये दिख रहा है and you know you are going to be blessed and this and that, तो मुझे एकदम रेजोनेट करेगा, मुझे लगेगा अरे यार यही बंदी सही है जो भी बोल रही है. बट इट डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. इट इज वेरी 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 जेनेरिक. वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रीजंस, यू नो, जब थेरेपी पे भी लोग मेरे पास आते हैं ना, देयर वाज, यू नो, दिस आई हैड दिस डिबेट विद अ क्लाइंट ऑफ माइन. शी केम एंड शी इज लाइक, यार आप ये जो भी बताते हो ये तो मुझे चैट जीपीटी भी बता देगा. ऐसे चलो लेट्स डू दिस चैलेंज, लेट्स ट्राई दिस. ओके,
या.
Now, the difference over here about human interactions will always be GPT will always give you what you want. The algorithm works like that.
Yes.
आप जाओ Instagram पे, आप अगर खाली एक सर्च मारो, आपको अगले 7 दिन तक वही दिखता रहेगा. The algorithm is like that.
Absolutely.
Likewise, ChatGPT also works like that. And likewise, the universe also works like that.
Right.
It works on an algorithm. The more aligned you are with your own thoughts, your internal energy, that's what you're going to attract.
Correct.
And that's exactly what happens when we see all these messages. I just say, now you take as much as you want from that. Don't let it affect you emotionally. There are a lot of people who become very emotional after seeing that. I get people like that. It's quite heartbreaking, honestly.
But then do you think that, you know, tarot reading is becoming kind of like, you know, addiction?
Oh yes, it is. Addiction, and somewhere also people are getting very dependent. Somewhere because they want to see the answers that they want to hear. So it's quite sad.
Yeah, it's very important that, you know, yes, you rightly said, no, that, you know, you are running with your energies.
Absolutely.
However your energy is, however you feel right now in present with your energies, you will be able to see only those kind of things around you.
बिल्कुल ना, बिल्कुल. आज हम काफी बार नहीं बोलते हैं यार, किसी को मिलकर हम आए और एकदम ही ड्रेन फील करते.
Yeah, many times. Yep.
बिकॉज सामने वाले का एनर्जी इतना ज्यादा डिप्लीटेड है, मेरा अगर बहुत हाई भी है और उनका एकदम डिप्लीटेड है, समवेयर तो हम एक मिड ग्राउंड पे आके मिलेंगे, राइट? सो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली हाउ इट इज एंड हाउ द यूनिवर्सल एल्गोरिथम वर्क्स.
Correct.
एंड वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट.
So you are in this profession, Chaitali ji. I really want you to outbreak some myths related to tarot reading.
सबसे पहले that tarot predicts future. Honestly, it doesn't. It aligns you with your future by giving you a direction.
Correct.
Number 2, tarot is a quick fix. Reading कर ली, सब हो गया. A real reader will show you the mirror. You may like it, you may not like it. Like I have, you know, young clients, especially अपना Gen Zs, coming in with lot of relationship issues. आजकल with, you know, how volatile it is. And they'll be like, okay, auntie, I've had a breakup. And instead of asking, how do I heal from this? They'll be like, okay, will he call me back? When will he call me back? You know, things like that. They choose to be in that moment only.
Yeah.
So it's not a quick fix. It's never going to work like that.
Also, can you tell me, like, you know, does tarot reading can go wrong?
Yes, it can. When I say wrong, it doesn't mean firstly we don't predict as a yes or a no. As I said, it's a direction.
Yeah.
But yes, अगर आपका energy through the way change हो रहा है, like आप मेरे पास आए for a relationship, okay, and I tell you कि यार यहाँ पे आपका alignment मुझे इनके साथ दिख रहा है, there are chances that there will be a reconciliation. But going forward, अगले समझो एक हफ्ते में your partner is showing absolutely toxic behavior or toxic patterns, will your energy still align with that? So in that case, yes, it can go wrong because our energies change each and every moment, not just every day.
Correct.
So it can go wrong. Absolutely.
So I'm seeing a lot of Gen Zs, like, you know, as you rightly said, they want to be in that zone itself, that emotional drainage zone.
Yeah.
So what is your advice to our Gen Zs, today's generation?
Today's generation, actually, they don't want to take any advice but because they think they know it all. But if they can, I think they need to connect more with the real world. They need to put their phones down, maybe just starting with 10 minutes a day, and really go out there, have real human connections, talk to real people, talk to their parents, grandparents about the experience that they've lived rather than
Yes.
talking to their friends.
You
Honestly.
rightly said communication is at toss and people are not communicating.
Absolutely. And for them, they are. Everything depends on the number of likes, the comments.
Yeah,
They slip into depression, which is so sad. Validation is a
absolutely.
very big thing for the Gen Zs today.
So, talking about spirituality, do you really think that there are a lot of spiritual leaders who are famous nowadays? Okay, do you think that sometimes spiritual leaders' advices on social media can mislead people?
It can. Also because, see, somewhere now there is a very thin line between, there is no harm, when I feel now, even if people are charging you an X amount for, guiding you, that's also fine. As long as bring that much of value to your client. But just to stay relevant on social media, just to, to put out anything that will, grab more eyeballs. I know of very authentic readers, spiritual leaders with a very minimal following,
Yeah.
but they are so authentic and so genuine. And today we see, in millions there are likes that people have and followers that people have, and they're spreading a lot of fear, outside,
Yes.
which is not the right way to go about it.
Yeah, so actually it is happening that we are selling fearful marketing right now.
Absolutely, because fear is the only thing that sells. It really sells. And fear in the name of God, spirituality, unfortunately, it sells.
So do you think after lockdown, a lot of things has changed when you talk about spirituality? We never knew about, soul healing, or we never knew about karmic relationship. So I really want to understand today what is karmic relationship.
सबसे पहले तो ना कार्मिक रिलेशनशिप इज नॉट अ बैड वर्ड. लोगों को लगता है ना, अरे लोग
Karmic.
पूछने भी आते हैं,
Yeah.
do we have a karmic relationship? We've just broken up. Karmic relationships happen to teach you certain lessons in life. They are here for your own growth and to teach you lessons in life.
Yeah.
They come in your life for a certain purpose. Once that purpose is solved, once the lesson is learned, they will exit from your life. And when they exit from your life, it's very important for you to pay gratitude to that person
Yeah.
for teaching you that lesson. उनको हाथ जोड़ो, थैंक यू बोलो कि लेसन लर्न, भाई अब तू मेरी जिंदगी में फिर नहीं आना, बस.
True.
Because karmic relationships, they will start off as amazing. There will be an instant
Passion.
connection, passion. You will love each other. उतने ही intensity के conflicts भी होंगे. इतना ही प्यार, इतना ही गुस्सा, इतनी ही नाराजगी भी रहेगी. बट जितना जल्दी ऊपर जाएगा उतना जल्दी नीचे आएगा. अगर आपने उसमें से वो लेसन सीख लिया, देन वेरी पीसफुली यू गाइज विल पार्ट वेज. अगर समझो फॉर एनी रीजन आपने वो लेसन नहीं सीखा, you will be placed with another person who is, karmically connected with you, only and only to teach you that lesson again. So मैं तो मेरे पास कोई आता तो बोलती भैया सीख लो लेसन, वरना फिर ऐसे patterns, when this we especially notice when people are continuously in repeated patterns and loops.
Same loop.
Yes.
Again and again.
Again and again, because they are not learning from their own mistakes. They are not learning the lessons that are. See, we over here as humans, we are born in a human experience to experience every emotion.
True.
Everything is here as an experience, and if you take it as that, you will never feel bad about anything that is happening in your life.
But then with this pattern, the loop that you're talking about, with this pattern, do you really think that they attract more toxic people again and again in their life?
That is also because they are not learning from it.
Okay.
Somewhere they are not learning from it, and अगर आप उसको psychologically देखोगे ना, तो that is because your brain only accepts people like that. जिसको हम again twin flames बोलते हैं. एक karmic relationship होता है, एक twin flames होता है. दोनों सबसे ज्यादा abused है, सबसे ज्यादा abused है. ट्विन फ्लेम्स में भी ऐसे होगा. लोगों को मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या होती है ना, कि ट्विन फ्लेम अगर है ना तो लाइफ टाइम तुम दोनों साथ में रहने वाले हो. बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. तुम पर्पस से साथ में हो, वो खत्म होगा, tata bye bye, namaskar, and leave from there.
So you're talking about twin flame. What is the difference between twin flame and karmic relationship?
Twin flames, karmic relationships ना typically will be shown in a romantic relationship. वो गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड हो सकता है, हस्बैंड वाइफ हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ट्विन फ्लेम्स ऐसे नहीं होते. इट कुड बी बिटवीन अ पेरेंट एंड चाइल्ड ऑल्सो, सिबलिंग्स ऑल्सो, वेयर यू फील वेरी कनेक्टेड, बट एट द सेम टाइम देयर इज समथिंग कि आपको लगता है यार इसका तो मैं शक्ल नहीं देख सकती, आई डोंट वांट टू सी दिस पर्सन. दैट ऑल्सो इज कमिंग हियर टू टेस्ट यू, टू टेस्ट सो मेनी इमोशंस इन यू.
Yeah.
अगर आपने वो इमोशंस मैनेज करना सीख गया, बेसिकली इट इज इमोशन मैनेजमेंट. अगर आप वो सीख लिए, ग्रेट फॉर यू.
Many a times, like when I scroll, I see a lot of this twin flame kind of reels. I see a lot of karmic kind of reels. But how do we identify that what is karmic and what is twin?
सबसे पहले तो ये रील्स मत देखो, बिकॉज ये आपको दिखा ही रहे हैं फॉर यू टू फील मोर कंफ्यूज्ड, टू पुट फियर इनटू यू कि अरे ये कार्मिक है, ये ट्विन फ्लेम है. टेक दिस लाइफ जस्ट एज एन एक्सपीरियंस, एज अ ह्यूमन एक्सपीरियंस. वी आर बॉर्न एज ह्यूमंस, वरना तो हम भी कोई एनिमल फॉर्म में बॉर्न हो सकते थे ना. वी आर बॉर्न एज ह्यूमंस टू एक्सपीरियंस एवरी इमोशन, sadness, happiness, joy, love, lust, and all of it. So take it as that. Instead of saying कि यार ये मेरा karmic relationship है, ये मेरा twin flame है, experience all the emotions. उसको मत segregate कीजिए, मत कुछ भी करो. Take it as it is. Learn from it. Learn to manage your emotions from twin flames. Learn your lessons from karmic patterns that you are repeating. That's it. So that you don't repeat it again.
People sometimes may be spiritually connected to each other,
Yes.
but they may not be good for each other.
For example, today you and me can be spiritually very connected, but maybe you would not like my habits.
True.
Maybe you would not respect my boundaries. In that case, we will never be able to survive with each other. So, बहुत ज़्यादा spiritually aligned लोग बोलते हैं अरे तुम spiritual हो, why don't you all get together? But ज़रूरी नहीं है कि you can get together. If you are unable to respect each other's boundaries, it's a very, very difficult space to be in. You will never
Correct.
be able to coexist together.
Correct. And at a very early stage, you realize that
Absolutely.
that that person may not be good for you. After marriages, okay, male and female, look out for compatibility.
Yes.
Do they fall into this karmic trap or twin flame kind of energy?
Let's understand this better. सबसे पहले तो when we are talking about married people looking outside for a relationship, why are they looking at it?
Yeah.
कार्मिक है कि ट्विन है वो तो छोड़ दो. Why are they looking at it? Because there are a few factors to this. One, there is too much of availability. Everything that is available outside is probably missing in your house. So rather than looking into your house and working over there, you choose ना the easy way
you
out.
go out.
मुझे आज मेरे पास अगर मेरी कुक नहीं आ रही है, मैं घर पे सैलेड बनाऊं, उससे अच्छा मुझे बाहर से सैलेड मिल रहा है तो मैं वो लेके खा लेती हूँ ना. टेस्टियर भी होगा, बेटर भी होगा, क्योंकि मुझे कहाँ घर पे ककड़ी टमाटर कट करने हैं. सो लाइकवाइज घर पे अगर तुम्हें काम करना है तो यू विल हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट, राइट. मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. और बाहर करनी है तो तुम्हें थोड़ी मेहनत करनी है. यू आर देयर टुगेदर फॉर 2 hours, तो वो तो तुमको अच्छा ही लगेगा. तुम उसको कार्मिक बोल दो, ट्विन फ्लेम बोल दो, तुम कोई भी टैग्स लगा दो. बट द सैड पार्ट इज ना, people don't want to work on their existing relationships and they want to look for it outside because there is something missing on the inside, which needs a lot of work, and they refuse to do that.
And I think that after lockdown, lot of things has changed. Talking about female side of story, because I am also female, right? And maybe as you rightly said in one of our conversation, that they are looking out for validation. They're looking out for someone who can hear them out. Okay, what kind of advice or what kind of message would you like to share with all these females who are struggling, literally struggling, and then they are getting attracted outside.
You know, Nirali, सबसे पहले तो ना validation हम as women, I think all of us do, you know, at some point in time, maybe at a certain age
Yeah.
or whatever, our daughters or anything, bolo, we all seek validation. Why? This is all conditioning. This is all childhood programming. हमारे मॉम ने भी यही किया, हमारी
Yeah.
दादी नानी ने भी यही किया, उनकी मॉम ने भी यही किया, और ये चलते आ रहा है. इट इज कंडीशनिंग. सो समवेयर ना सबसे पहली चीज हमको जो करना चाहिए ना, वी नीड टू ब्रेक दिस पैटर्न फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट जनरेशंस. इफ यू हैव अ डॉटर, सबसे पहले यू नो दिस कम्स फ्रॉम वेयर, स्टेटमेंट्स लाइक आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ.
Yeah.
बचपन से नहीं, तेरा भाई ये करेगा बट तू ये नहीं करेगी, भाई ये कर सकता है तुम नहीं कर सकते हो.
Correct.
This is all social conditioning that has happened. So for women, if they need validation, the only validation you should need is from yourself. I'll tell you a simple technique to do this. Every day, just stand in front of the mirror for 30 seconds. Look at yourself eye to eye. Eye to eye. Don't look कि मेरी आंखें ठीक लग रही है कि नहीं, मेरी लिपस्टिक ठीक लग रही है कि नहीं. No, मेरे बाल ठीक लग रहे हैं. Everything is beautiful about you. Look at yourself eye to eye and just watch yourself and say, I am beautiful, I am lovable, I love myself. These 3 statements. Do this for 40 days and then tell me how you feel. You will not need any Instagram, any XYZ person inside your house, outside your house validating you. Trust me.
Most of the time answer is within us,
Always.
right? It is within us, and you rightly said that you need to believe in yourself. Okay, and don't ask for validation from outside. And the kind of thing that you shared practically, like it should be implemented in daily life. So it is my example. After lockdown, I also changed completely. Okay, there are phases where you feel as a woman very low because you need to multitask, you need to work, you need to look after children, you need to cook, you need to do every single thing, and it has been a lot of drainage. And I did the same thing what you suggested right now, and I started feeling so confident in myself. Ho jayega. Every single day, I used to tell myself ho jayega. Everything is possible. So that is very important. Like women's in India, I would not only women's, I guess males are also struggling emotionally
Bilkul.
equally,
Bilkul.
and they also need a lot of support spiritually. So we were talking a lot about energy exchange. We were talking about universe in one of our conversation. I really want to understand. There is so much of saying around universe. Do you really think that universe listens to you?
More than listening, the universe aligns with you, is what I feel. It aligns with your energy. It doesn't listen to you. So for example, अगर आप मुझे आज बोल रहे हो कि चैताली मुझे 5 करोड़ मैनिफेस्ट करने हैं, ओके, मैं यूनिवर्स को बोल रही हूँ मुझे 5 करोड़ दे दे. आपने बोल दिया, बट सबकॉन्शियसली एंड इन योर हार्ट यू ऑलवेज कीप डाउटिंग, मेरे पास तो पर पैसा नहीं है यार, मैं कैसे बना सकती हूँ, मुझे तो आता ही नहीं है यार, मुझे कुछ काम ही नहीं आता है, मैं कैसे बनाऊंगी पैसा. The universe will not align with what you speak, but it will align with the energy that you have, and your energy is blocking it, so you will stay blocked. And then people come and say यार आपने बोला था but वो हुआ नहीं. वो मैंने नहीं बोला है, आपका energy align करो more than your words. So people say ना affirmations बोलो, मैं मना नहीं कर रही हूँ, I'm not against it, I'm totally in for affirmations. Do it. But you have to first believe in those affirmations on your subconscious level. So I always suggest whenever you are on your manifestation journey or on your affirmation journey, do some kind of a subconscious meditation or hypnotherapy, which helps work on your subconscious mind.
Okay.
To remove the blocks that you are having. Only then you will be able to align with the energy that you truly want and desire in your life.
So we have so many wants and desire in our life. तो ये जो हमारा माइंड है हम उसको स्थिरता पे कभी ला ही नहीं पाते. Like we keep multitasking with our brain also. End of the day, by सोने के पहले हमारा brain इतना डैमेज हो जाता है कि सोचने का कुछ रहता ही नहीं है. So being a healer or being a therapist, what do you suggest? Like as you said that you need to train your subconscious mind first. So how we practically do that?
सबसे पहले तो नंदराली, we need to understand that we women, again this comes back to conditioning. हमको ऐसा condition किया गया ना that we are multitaskers. Why don't we ask men to multitask? Have we ever asked?
Never.
आप खाली बोल के देखो किसी को, भाई तुमको सुबह उठ के तुमको खुद को ऑफिस जाना है, तुम्हारे बच्चों का टिफिन करना है, तुमको स्कूल भी उनको छोड़ना है, पिकअप करना है, ट्यूशन करना है, करके देखो, कर पाएंगे?
Not possible.
हम बोलते भी नहीं है उनको, क्यों नहीं बोलते? कंडीशनिंग है हमारा. सो सबसे पहले वी नीड टू चेंज आवर कंडीशनिंग, कि हम ये जो मेंटल क्लॉग है कि इतनी सारी चीजें क्यों चल रही है, बिकॉज हम बिलीव करते हैं कि दिस इज ऑल माई जॉब. इट्स नॉट माई जॉब. Today, if my cook has not come, it's okay to order in.
Yeah.
It's okay अगर मेरे घर पे आज झाड़ू पोछा नहीं हुआ तो. We take it so much to ourselves कि अरे मेरा नहीं हुआ तो यार, हम खुद की नजर में खुद को ना गिरा देते हैं when we are unable to do this.
Exactly.
As women.
True.
This is one thing ना we need to change. If we are able to change this thought process ना, कि अगर मैं यहाँ 10 चीज कर रही हूँ ना, कल उठ के very consciously you decide कि आज मैं इसमें से सिर्फ 4 ही चीज करूंगी. And you tell me the results कि रात को आप कितना peacefully सो पाते हैं.
Exactly.
It's all about conditioning.
And that's why you will be able to give time to yourself as well.
Absolutely.
Right? And then you don't end up blaming others कि इसकी वजह से ये हुआ, उसकी वजह से ये हुआ. I personally believe that, you know, women are responsible for what they are.
Absolutely.
You know, it's their own responsibility कि आप जो भी हो आप ही की वजह से हो. No, because you're not ready to break that loop. You just want to stay in that pattern. You rightly said कि हम सामने से हमारा कंडीशनिंग ही हमने ऐसे कर दी है, हम किसी को बोल ही नहीं पाते हैं. Talking about spirituality and therapy, do you think both the things are way different?
They are different, but they are very aligned. Like अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मेरे पास आप आ रहे हो फॉर एंग्जाइटी लेकर आ रहे हो, ओके, सो मैं आपको एंग्जाइटी के लिए जो टेक्निक्स दूंगी दैट विल ओनली कम फ्रॉम थेरेपी, प्रैक्टिकल टूल्स, बट द ग्राउंडिंग एंड द हीलिंग दैट यू विल नीड विल कम फ्रॉम स्पिरिचुअलिटी.
Correct.
So
it's a combination.
It's a combination. When you combine both together, you will see some brilliant results.
So can you share some tips or a daily routine, you know, as a healer or as a therapist, which people can use in their daily life to keep themselves aligned to all the energies that they are going to attract?
सबसे पहले तो I would say when you wake up in the morning, the first thing, whatever that you are drinking, your tea, coffee, you know, anything that you are drinking, hold the cup in your hand and you just need to say, I bless my day, I bless my family, I bless my work and everything around me. What happens is when you do this in the morning, you are creating a lot of positivity and a lot of blessings around you. So you make sure that your day goes aligned.
Correct.
Okay?
Correct.
So you are ready to go with the day. In the night, when you are back from work, you finish your chores, you're done with everything. If possible, take a salt bath. It is very, very important and very helpful to remove any kind of negativity, because क्या होता है ना, through the day we interact with so many people, so many energies. Whether you're working from home, ऑनलाइन अगर आप काम कर रहे हो तो भी, आज हम दोनों बात कर रहे हैं is also a form of energy exchange. So we don't realize that WhatsApp messages बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो, we interact with so many energies.
Correct. True.
It somewhere drains us down. हमको क्यों
Rightly
हमेशा
said.
रात को थकावट होती है, सुबह नहीं होती है?
Absolutely.
Because we are talking to so many people through the day. So shake it off, shake off that energy. Take a salt bath before going to bed. मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप आंख बंद करके बैठो और मेडिटेशन करो. Just get into the habit of playing any kind of, either you put on a soothing music or any meditation of your choice. Just lie down and be with it 10 minutes without your phone.
Okay.
Do this in your daily routine.
Humans, they need emotional, you know, attachment, which AI cannot give.
Absolutely.
AI cannot express. You know, it will give you generic reading. It might be right, it may not be, because end of that, you know, entire prompt, end of that entire answer also AI mentions very clearly.
Exactly.
You know, this is in general,
which we fail to read it
Yeah.
because we don't want to. It's giving us what we want,
correct.
so we choose to ignore that.
Absolutely. Also, I've seen, like, you know, we have spoken a lot about women's.
Yeah.
You know, I have also seen that, you know, men's equally have emotional issues.
Absolutely, they do. Absolutely they do. In fact, men have more emotional issues. But again, for women, it was the same. It is for men. Social conditioning.
Yeah.
बचपन से
You cannot
you
cry.
cannot cry. लड़की है क्या रो रहा है?
Exactly.
लड़की है क्या ऐसे कर रहा है? लड़की है किचन में जा रहा है? ये तो तेरी बहन करेगी.
True.
It's a lot to do with conditioning, and it is very sad because in today's time, and you know, today's times are such that it's such a mix of, one way we say, okay, once you become a father, even you have to take equal responsibility as the mother does. But we want the man to still do what a man was traditionally supposed to do. And modern life, mein, he is supposed to do what the modern life asks him to do.
Correct.
So for him, it is always a very big emotional turmoil. Men, when they come to me also for therapy, most of the times the first thing they'll say is, please don't let anyone know this, that I'm coming.
Oh.
Because there's a lot of stigma around it, that am I man enough to really go there? Of course, we always have our protocols where it's always a very safe space.
Absolutely.
But still, they don't want, you know, कि किसी को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए. But there's a lot that goes through them.
Yeah.
I think as women, we need to understand the struggles even that they are going through, to emotionally be there for them, because the times are not the way they used to be back then.
Yeah. AI is solving a lot of problems, but do you think that, you know, it is also affecting our mental health in today?
We are expecting one man to do everything for you.
Yeah.
Right from taking care of your emotions to providing for you to so much more.
Yeah.
So they need to be understood. Their feelings need to be validated, which we don't do that very often.
Correct. Right.
We feel कि अरे वो तो मैनेज कर ही लेगा ना अपने इमोशंस. And the biggest conflict जो हम अभी बात कर रहे थे, for extramarital affairs also happening, the biggest conflict here is this.
Yeah.
Because they are unable to control, to manage each other's emotions.
Rightly said.
वो अपने इमोशंस के लिए कहीं और जा रही है, ये अपने इमोशंस के लिए कहीं और जा रहा है. Rather, if they would just sit with themselves and you know,
talk it out.
Talk it out.
Yeah.
That's missing. So men go through a lot emotionally.
Rightly said. I truly agree to this, that, you know, they cannot express the way maybe women might be expressing.
Absolutely. Women are more expressive. Women talk more to each other. They are very open about, you know, saying what they feel.
Yeah.
And even to their man, they feel he has to understand if I'm going through something.
Yeah.
But if the man is having a bad day और घर आके अगर बोला आज खाने में नमक कम है, तो तुरंत बुरा लग जाता है. Instead of telling him कि तू ऐसे मेरे से बात कर रहा है, if you could just ask him कि what's wrong with your day, you know, that change of perspective,
Yeah.
can change a lot of things in relationships. Relationships are very dynamic.
They are dynamic, and I believe that any kind of relationship, whether it is your couple being in marriage, girlfriend, boyfriend, or mother and child, or, you know, father and child, it's kind of partnership.
Absolutely, and it's always equal. It's
always equal. Can you break this myth which is surrounded with meditation? When I talk about meditation, कई लोग बोलते हैं मेडिटेशन बैठ के ही किया जाता है, कई लोग बोलते हैं मेडिटेशन के लिए ये चीज सुननी चाहिए, ये टाइम पे ही किया जाता है. सो डू यू हैव सम से ऑन?
अगेन फियर. ये सारी चीजें हम बोलते हैं, आप ये टाइम पे ये नहीं करोगे तो आपको फियर, यू नो, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. ट्रस्ट मी, व्हेन I always advise my clients when they come to me, if you are a completely newbie, आपने कभी meditation नहीं किया, अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ रोज आधा घंटा आंख बंद करके बैठ जाओ, आप बैठ ही नहीं पाओगे. सबसे पहली बात.
Correct.
It is very simple. If you are new on this journey, do nothing. While taking a walk, while driving, while cooking, anything, put on the meditation. Just make sure while the meditation is on, do not have any human interactions. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी से आप बातें कर रहे हो पीछे मेडिटेशन चल रहा है.
No.
Be involved in what you are doing, even if it is just that you are lying down. But listen, be present. What is missing is, what is meditation? What is meditation asking you to do? Just being present in the moment.
Being present, yeah.
In the moment.
And just fill the moment.
Exactly. So you do now. You do whatever you want to do. First, you get into the habit of it. आप 1 महीना जाने दो, पहले हैबिट बिल्ड करो, धीरे धीरे प्रोग्रेस करो. हम गलती क्या करते हैं, जैसे 1 जनवरी को जो लोग जिम ज्वाइन करते हैं, न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन लेते हैं वेट लॉस का,
कभी नहीं करते।
मैक्सिमम 5th या 10th तक उनका रेजोल्यूशन खत्म हो जाता है। क्यों
Exactly.
होता है? बिकॉज एकदम धड़ाक से उनको डाइट करना है, उनको जिम जाना है, ये करना। धीरे धीरे करो यार, 10 मिनट वॉक से शुरू कर लो, देन यू मूव फॉरवर्ड। एनीथिंग स्लो एंड स्टेडी, बट कंसिस्टेंसी is the key, I would say.
But I truly believe in this, and I am a firm believer that I read this book Atomic Habit.
Yes.
That every change happens only by 1% every single day. It's not that कि आज आपने ट्रेनिंग ले ली, आपने सुन लिया, आपने 10 दिन तक करोगे, आप उसके बाद नहीं करोगे।
बिल्कुल।
So as you rightly guided that you should do, छोटा नंबर पे जाओ, 5 मिनट करो, 10 मिनट करो, इवेंचुअली इंक्रीज एंड डू इट कंसिस्टेंटली, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट विल बी मोर पावरफुल। एंड आई पर्सनली बिलीव अ लॉट इन मेडिटेशन बिकॉज इट हैज चेंज्ड मी एज अ पर्सन, and it brings lot of positivity, and your aura also changes.
Absolutely.
I've seen that. I'm a firm follower. I believe a lot in Sadhguru.
Oh.
Okay, so he always says that Brahma Muhurat is one of the most important time of your life. Would you like to say something on Brahma Muhurat?
Brahma Muhurat, definitely a very powerful time early in the morning. If you can wake up at that time and sit for your meditation, nothing like that. There are people now who very naturally wake up, at that time.
Yeah.
और बोलते पता नहीं क्यों मैं यही टाइम पे उठता हूँ या उठती हूँ. So that is your time for spiritual awakening. They say that that is when your spiritual awakening starts. So maybe it's time for you to take that journey now.
Lovely.
Yes.
So that's how it's automatic. It automatically happens.
It automatically happens. See, anything forced will not last long. So ये चीजों में I personally believe force नहीं करना चाहिए, कोई भी चीज हो. Even for meditation, if you are aligned to it, आपका अपने
automatically हो जाएगा.
There will be times जब वो होगा.
Do you think that your energies, the energies that you carry, can block your success?
Absolutely. Energy क्या है आपकी? It's your subconscious, right? So if your subconscious is all about doubts, fear, resentment, तो फिर आपका एनर्जी सामने वाले को भी वही डिप्लीट करेगा और वो वही कैरी करेगा. It's your aura. Your energy becomes your aura. So wherever you go, you are carrying your aura. तो कुछ लोगों को देख के नहीं बोलते यार ये रूम में आती है ना एकदम ही नेगेटिव फील होता है, हेडेक होने लगता है. और कुछ लोग के आने से बोलते हैं यार ये रूम में आती है ना, she comes in with a different energy. Why do we feel that? They carry that aura. They carry that in them.
And they have practiced a lot with their healing power. Or
see, some people do it consciously, and for some it just happens naturally. They are like that. And वो कब होता है ना, जब वो लोग हर चीज अपने दिमाग पे ऐसे लेके they will not dissect it. There are some logical people who will always want to dissect every situation of life. ये हुआ तो ये क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ. अरे उसमें से ये समझो ना, what is the lesson I need to learn? Why instead of हम ना as humans, this is one more important thing I would like to say. Instead of asking why is this happening to me, start asking what is it that I need to learn from what is happening with me.
Everything that happens carries some lesson.
Absolutely. अगर हमने ये पर्सपेक्टिव खाली चेंज किया ना, half your life will be like ठीक है यार, इसमें से सीख लिया ना, एक्सपीरियंस हो गया. आज ये बिजनेस नहीं चला ना, कोई बात नहीं यार, ये लेसन इसमें से सीखा, अगली बार ये मिस्टेक नहीं करूंगी मैं.
Correct. Do not break and do not question yourself. Rather, learn from it and start working again.
Yeah, don't victimize yourself. Yeah. Don't victimize. मेरे साथ ही क्यों?
Yeah.
मैं बेचारी, देखना मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया. अरे मेरी एक शादी नहीं चली ना, no problem. उसमें से गलतियां सीखी ना आपने. अगली बार make sure you don't do that.
You might be coming across a lot of people, right, who might carry some kind of anxiety, depression, or people who keep complaining about things. Yeah. You're also attracting a lot of energies.
Absolutely.
How do you heal yourself?
Nirali, I do a lot of protection for myself. Also because I have young children.
Yeah.
So, to keep them also protected. And one very important thing, very early in my healing journey that I had learned from my mentors is that everything in that moment, like for example, if you are my client and in this moment, if you are telling me, the next moment you will see me probably just maybe having lunch right now. and you'll be like यार मैंने इसको इतना सब बोला कैसी बंदी है ये. But that is
Correct.
how it is. You
Yeah.
are in, what do you say when you are in the moment? You only be there. You don't carry it with you.
Yeah.
हम गलती क्या करते ना, अरे 5 साल पहले तूने मुझे ये बोला था ना, 5 साल तक मैं वही कैरी कर रही हूँ. That's how तो ट्रॉमा लोग कैरी करते रहते हैं ना.
True.
So
Rightly
you cut
said.
it off there. You shake off the energy right there.
I'm seeing lot of reels around spirituality. Do you think that is affecting, like, spirituality is actually becoming a business trend?
Yes, it is. And again, I'm not against people selling whatever they are, but not at the cost of people's emotions, not at the cost of healing them. See, firstly, what is spirituality? ये हवा बना के रखा है कि you are spiritual, you are not spiritual. We are all spiritual beings having a human experience here. We are all spiritual in our own way.
Correct.
तो इसका बहुत बड़ा हवा है कि यार तुम ऐसे हो तुम वैसे हो, ऐसा नहीं होता है. We are all spiritual and we need to understand. We are all just walking each other home. Ultimate destination is there. Let's make this journey as beautiful as we can. As simple as that. We don't need to complicate this कि ये क्यों किया, वो करना है. लोग जो इतना fear उसके अराउंड क्रिएट करते हैं, ये टाइम पे ये करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. योर इंटेंशन, योर एनर्जी, ये दो चीजों को आप अलाइन करके रखो. दुनिया की कोई ताकत आपको नहीं रोक सकती to get what you want and to get what you deserve.
This is just in general to understand. Do people fake healing abilities too?
They do for their own reasons. To sell fear again, they do. My only advice to people would be, you go to a reader or a healer, whomever that you connect with, that's not a problem. खाली ये देखेगा how authentic they are. It should not only be about giving solutions. It's first telling you, showing you the mirror, why the problem is there. काफी बार ये भी हो सकता है कि शायद आप में से कुछ there are changes that need to be done in you. So go to people who are genuine, authentic, who genuinely want to listen to you. This would be my advice.
So you are into spiritual entrepreneurship. How do you help people when they come to you in your soul magic?
See, first part of it is understanding their blockages, understanding the problems that they have. Then through the cards, through an intuitive psychic reading, I understand their energies, what is blocking them, give them a pathway, direction to it. And then comes the last part, which is giving them certain remedies and rituals to do. That could be in the form of maybe depending on the energy that they are carrying. Sometimes crystal healing works beautifully. तो कुछ क्रिस्टल्स पहनने से, कुछ रखने से एनर्जीज बहुत ज्यादा चेंज होती है. आई एम अ ह्यूज बिलीवर ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स एंड क्रिस्टल हीलिंग. बहुत सारे स्पिरिचुअल टूल्स हैं हमारे एट सोल मैजिक अगेन, वेयर वी हैव लॉट ऑफ इंटेंशन बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक बाथ सॉल्ट्स हो गए, इंसेंस स्टिक्स हो गए, धूप कोन्स हो गए. All are intention based. So again they align with your energy. फिर कुछ होते हैं जो कैंडल रिचुअल्स होते हैं. So some depending again, किसको क्या जरूरत है,
Correct.
उसके हिसाब से they are given.
Wow, that's amazing. So it's kind of one-stop solution. Like, once people enter in and they get the real result and the real answers basically which they're looking out for. Talking about crystals, nowadays it has also been oversold. Right? There are a lot of people, a lot of applications in the market already available who are selling crystals. How do we identify यार अच्छा crystal कौन सा है?
This is a very good question, because ये मुझे बहुत clients भी पूछते हैं कि Amazon पे तो इतने सस्ते मिलते हैं, 200, 300, 400 के मिलते हैं. And I say करो ना, लो, no problem at all. You will understand the energy. कुछ लोग पहनते बोलते 3 महीने से पहन रही हो, कुछ असर ही नहीं हो रहा है.
I agree.
So one thing you need to know is market में बहुत सारे plastic beads घूम रहे हैं saying they are crystals, but they are not. One very good way to identify a real crystal is hold your crystal, नीचे एक candle लगा दो, crystal आप उस पर रखिए, burn it. अगर वो प्लास्टिक होगा तो वो मेल्ट हो जाएगा. एंड क्रिस्टल होगा तो खाली ब्लैक हो जाएगा, which आप वापस से उसको क्लीन कर सकते हो. One is that way. Number two is I always suggest buy it from a healer and not from a marketplace. मतलब shop.
Exactly.
Don't do crystal shopping from a kirana store. Do it from the right source, right people. Like जब हमारे पास से कोई crystal लेता है तो we energize and program it for that individual person or the business's name and date of birth. So it aligns with your energy the best.
Correct.
So buy it from somebody who's authentic, genuine, and some healer.
And also, crystal needs a lot of healing. So I'm sure that being a healer, you might be healing that at the first stage and then giving it to clients.
Absolutely. वो 3-step process होता है.
Yeah.
First is cleaning it, cleansing the energy.
Correct.
कोई भी अगर residue रह गया है जहाँ से आया है, see they are all natural forms.
Yep.
तो cleansing is important. Then you energize them. By chants लगाओ, incense करो, sage करो, उसे cleanse करो. फिर the last step is programming. For example, अगर कोई money का crystal है तो you program it, we magic code it.
Correct.
For the purpose that intention that needs to be set in. So that's very important.
And it has also been said, no, after buying a crystal, you also need to, charge. You need to
Absolutely.
keep charging it.
You can charge it on a full moon night. You have to set an intention to your crystal. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने market से ले लिया और आप बस पहन लिया.
Correct.
You set an intention to it, talk to it, what do you want from the crystal? And once your purpose is done, say thank you to it, pay gratitude, put it back into Mother Earth. That's where they
And
come
that
from.
that is where it is important to buy. All these stuffs can give you results, but you should buy it from the right kind of people, because healers can only give you this kind of process. वरना बेचने के लिए तो कई सारे मार्केट प्लेसेस है, राइट? कम पैसे में भी बिक रहा है, ज्यादा में भी बिक रहा है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू जनरेट रिजल्ट, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व्ड. As you rightly said, उसको heal करना पड़ता है, energize करना पड़ता है, उसको charge करना पड़ेगा. There are so many things. Only healers can give you right guidance to it. So thank you so much. We had wonderful conversation. I had a lot of questions to ask, because I'm also very much spiritually aligned, and I'm a very firm believer of energies, because I've also experienced a lot of things. Now we are heading towards rapid fire round. Okay, so whatever questions I'm going to ask you, you need to answer in one word.
Sure.
Are we up for it?
Absolutely.
All right then. Tarot or intuition? What's more powerful?
Intuition with tarot.
Yeah,
Power
rightly
combination.
said. Rightly said. Manifestation, real or mindset trick?
Real, but if your energy aligns.
Karmic relationship, blessings or lessons?
Lessons with blessings.
True. Twin flame, is it truth or a trend?
Truth, but unfortunately made into a trend.
Universe signs, are they real or coincidence?
Real in the form of energy.
Yeah. Energy healing, is it a science or just a belief?
Science.
Yeah.
Backed with a lot of logic.
Correct. Angel numbers, meaningful or just random?
Meaningful as long as not taken seriously.
So I'll come to this question again about angel numbers. Soulmate, one person or it can be a many?
Many.
Yeah, it can be male or it can be female
Absolutely.
as well.
Absolutely.
Negative energy, is it real or psychological?
Psychological, but can be turned into real if you don't let it go.
Yeah. And for that purpose, you said, आप सोने के पहले salt bath करो, so that you can
Very
release all the negative energy.
Very important.
Can someone manifest a specific person?
Yes, you can, but you shouldn't. Because you
True.
might not know whether that person is energetically aligned to you or not.
Correct. Rightly said. I mean, there is a lot of fuss on this as well. And there are a lot of reels which are going viral.
Yes.
अगर आपको किसी को मैनिफेस्ट करना है तो आप ये विद्या कर लो.
और आप सोचो, अगर हम ये मैनिफेस्ट करें जो भी हमको करना है और ऊपर वाला हमको दे दे whatever we are thinking, it would be so chaotic.
So disaster. Yeah, it can be disaster.
It would be so chaotic.
So because something which is not with you, it means that it is not meant for you.
Absolutely. Even when you are manifesting a partner, all you need to do is say, whatever is for my highest good, नॉट दिस पर्सन और दैट पर्सन. इफ दैट पर्सन इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू, फिर आप क्या करो? फिर उससे ब्रेकअप होगा, फिर आप आओगे अरे
Exactly.
मुझे तो मिला नहीं. Doesn't work like that.
Talking about angel numbers, this is just for my knowledge. कई सारी रील्स में आई दिन देखती हूँ कि ये एंजल नंबर है, आप लगाओ, या फिर ये नंबर है, यू हैव टू राइट इट इन योर हैंड्स, यूनिवर्सल नंबर. सो हाउ रियल इज दैट?
See, जो numbers की आप बात कर रहे हो are switch words. Switch words are very very powerful. There is no doubt about it. जो आप ट्रेंड्स की बात कर रहे हो, वो ट्रेंड दिखाने के लिए, so that of course to grab eyeballs, which is also fair. It's okay. You can manifest through it. That is also true. But doing anything mindlessly will never give you results. Whatever you do, मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ ना, आप एक छोटा, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बोला कि every morning you bless your tea or coffee that you are having.
Yeah.
वो भी, but when done with intention. See, हम क्या करते हैं ना, हम सब कुछ कर लेते हैं.
Yeah, true.
आज आपको किसी ने ये दिखाया YouTube पे, आपने ये कर लिया, ये Instagram पे दिखाया, कर लिया. But you are all doing it mindlessly. When you start doing it consciously, when you start doing things with intention, maybe a small thing, as simple as blessing your day, you see it for yourself. You
Correct.
see it for yourself.
One last message you want to give to our audience?
One message, and especially for the women here listening to this, please do not seek any kind of external validation. We are whole, we are enough, and let's not try and put each other down. Unfortunately, in today's time, it's women who are against women.
Yeah.
We never see that with men. So let's be together in this. Let's not look outside for anything. The answers are all within. That's it.
Thank you so much. And one last message for our platform, Ek Soch.
I've had a great time at Ek Soch with Nirali, and thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much. I had wonderful conversation. It was very candid and it was very unfiltered and real too. Because nowadays, people are just spreading lot of awareness in a good way. Of course, it might help some people. It may not help other. But the perception, what people are carrying in their mind, that ये जो दिख रहा है ना वही सही है, which is something making them overwhelmed.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that's where you rightly said, believe in yourself, do what is required, do what is best for you.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much once again, and to all our viewers, do watch this entire episode because you're going to get a lot of understanding aligned to spirituality, tarot reading, karmic relationship, twin relationship, and a lot of things which are truly important for you to get aligned with your energies in today's life. Thank you so much. Signing off for today. Nirali Pandya, Ek Soch, one idea that changed your life.